Alright everyone, what's up? How are you? It's your girl Shay Skylar and I'm back again with another video. Video's been rolling, okay? I just want to give it up for myself for actually stepping out, wearing my natural hair and styling my natural hair. This is like, this is pretty amazing because never, okay? I never wore my natural hair. So I'm super excited about this. So if you follow me on Instagram, or if you like my page on Facebook, or if you're a friend of mine on Facebook, you would have seen that this hairstyle today was just your basic perm rocks, okay? And I used my water mixture with conditioner and my styling, okay? It didn't dry all the way. It was like 95% dry. My right side was a little bit wet. That's Skylar. Always making her sit. Yes, hi. My right side was a little bit damp. Just a little bit, this portion right here. Other than that, it did dry. I literally just lightly spritzed my hair. But whatever. We're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about what I'm going to do next. It is hot here in Miami. You can bake cookies on your car here in Miami. So I'm gonna be doing a Frohawk. I've never worn a Frohawk. I've done it once, like for picture purposes, but I've never worn it. And I feel like my hair is super big right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and style that. This is gonna be super quick, super easy. So what I'm gonna be using today is this mixture of water so I can slick up my edges. I'm gonna be using my Eco Styler gel that I'm almost running out of. I'm going to be using a brush, a comb, and I'm also going to be using some scrunchies. So we're going to go ahead and get this video started. This is on the go because I've never really done this style. So let's just get started. Alrighty, so I'm gonna do my next pony. This one I'm gonna try to make a little bit neater. So funny. And I'm gonna leave some of my hair out. Is our top. All right, so I was thinking I would like a bang. Maybe I'll take some of the hair so I can have it coming down. I think I might do a bang. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave some of the hair out, about this much, because I'm gonna curl and put into a bang. So I'm just gonna take this and twist it. So this here I'm going to put into a perm rod and some perm rods, okay? So we're gonna move this out the way. I'm gonna wet this just a little, because remember, I really want this to dry. Not super wet, just a little bit of my foaming mousse. I'm gonna detangle. And then I'm just gonna apply my perm rods. The hair to be big. So alright guys, everything's all perm rodded. I am going to perm rod my little side areas. So I'll be back in the morning.